back on my YouTube channel. I hope you are well and doing great. So today is we are going to solve another question that is based on two-pointer. So in our previous class, we talked about how can you identify the pattern, and we show on the specific question that is lead code 26 number question, and today is the 27 number question. First, we will solve the question, and in the next lecture, we will talk about the pattern identify. So without any further delay, let's move into the video. So as you can see, like the question is remove element. So simply we just need to remove element, but in just a little different way. Like how? So for that question, we will also follow that same steps that we followed for the previous question. So where is the uh yeah, here is. So I just copy them and just direct. So what exactly do I need to return? First, we need to check what exactly do I need to return. So I just need to return also a number. As you can see here, we just need to return a number, not a not an array, not a string, or not an any kind of. We just need to return an integer. So the first thing is clarify. We just need to return an integer. So what is the second thing? Can I explain the problem in one, two lines? So, yes, first we will read the question. After that, we will explain it in one, two lines. So, let's read the question. So, the question is given an integer array nums. We have given an integer nums and integer var. Okay. So, this is the first line that's telling us we have an array and an integer var. We have a var, a integer. This one is integer. Okay. So remove all occurrence of val in nums. We just need to remove all occurrence val in nums in place. I hope if you have watched my previous video, so you know what is the mean of in place. If you haven't watched, so in place means like we just need to change it. We just need to do changes in the this particular array that we have given. Like so, we just need to change in nums. We can change in nums. We can't use any extra space. So this is the simple meaning of in place. If you want more details, so you just need to watch my previous video. There, I I thought or I explained briefly about in place. So let's move on. So remove all occurrence well in nums. So the thing is like I just want to say you just need to remove all well that occur in this array. If there is the well, so we just need to remove them. Okay. The order of elements may be changed. The order of elements may be changed. We don't need to care about a order. Then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to where. So we just need to return the number of elements. How many elements? Just number, not all elements. We just need to return L numbers. Consider the number of elements nums which are not equal to well to be k to get accepted. You need to do the following things. Change the array num such that the first k element. So there is also the first k elements contain the elements which are not equal to well. The remaining elements of nums are not important as well as the size of nums. Return k. So we just need to return k. If you have my previous video, as I said, so you know about that very quietly. So I will not explain you again here. So let's move into the question. Now, Can I explain the problem in one two line? Yes, I can explain. So the whole problem is like we just need to remove all occurrence of val from the given array, as we can say, either we can say nums. We just need to remove all occurrence of val from nums, and we just need to return number of elements, or either we can say again the k size of k. So this is all about the question. Let's look at the example. So we have given this. So the third step is this one, I think. Given this input, what should happen step by step? We need to check what's happening here. We have given val 3 and the nums array. So val is 3, so we just need to ignore 3 and this one, and we just need to put them in front. So if we look at on the problem, so you can see clearly like the numbers are come at the beginning they that are not equal to val, and the number are this they are ignored, like they are here but don't show. Okay. Explanation. Your function should return k equal to 2, k equal to 2, or not equal to, sorry, my bad, k assigned 2 with the first two elements of nums being 2. It doesn't matter what you leave beyond the return k. So it doesn't matter like if I put 3 here, 4 here, or same 2 here. It doesn't matter. We just the thing that matter is the k elements, the first nums k element. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's move the next point. Find dependency. Now we need to find how can we solve this question. Where does the answer come from? How can we get answer? So just think like this is given array. This person said like the rest of element doesn't care. We don't need to care about that. We just need to care about that are not equal to where. So we just need to care about these two, not these three. So how can we do? So just imagine here is your left and here is your right. Okay, now just focus like here is your left and here is your right. We just do like if value of r value, what is the r value? R value is 3. If r value is not equal to val, so simply assign r value into the l value. L value assign r value and l plus assign 1. And that's it, guys. It's done. I hope you understand. Otherwise, we just increase r simply. That's it, guys. This is the whole logic. Now, how is it work? Let's check with a dry rule. Just assume there is 3, 2, 2, and 3. So here is your left and here is your both are moving equidirectional. So first we check is r value not equal to 3, not equal to val, sorry. So the val is 3 as person given. So is r not equal to val? No, r is equal to val. So this condition is false. It doesn't come inside. It just increased r by 1. So now r is here. Now it checks. Is r value is not equal to val? Yes, not equal to val because now r is 2 and val is 3. So it comes here and he just assigned the this value here. So the array would be look like 2, 2, 2, 3. So when value is assigned into Al value, so al is also increased. So now al is here and r is here. Now it checks again, is r not equal to well? Not equal to well. So it assign this value here. So again, the array would be look like this. Now left is here and right is here. It checks again, but this time both are equal. So it won't come into in this condition. It just increased simply r. So when r is increased, the the loop will be end. And this is our final array, and these are the first k elements. We just return left al. We can just return al. I hope you understand how is it work, and it's so simple. If you if you didn't understand, so my opinion is like you just watch again and you will got it. This one I thought. So thank you guys watching this video. As usual, please do a comment, not like and subscribe. As I said always, it's all up to you, but do a comment for me. Thank you guys.